This is the MSI Thin GF63 laptop. I'm just gonna, first time opening it up. This is a gaming laptop meant for whoever needs a gaming laptop. Here's the laptop. This is a 15-inch model. That's pretty nice. Comes with a charger and everything. Is it just the standard? Yeah, I think it's a standard charging, but it's very nice. It's got a single fan exhaust, it looks like, with several intake points. Looks nice. There's no camera closer. And it feels okay. It was actually, it felt lighter than I expected. Kind of felt like there was nothing inside of it. I guess just that's the thin aspect of it, and it's kind of got like a brushed finish on it, which is nice. I felt more high quality models than this one, but since this is a pretty entry to mid-level laptop for people trying to get into gaming and decide to try a laptop out, it's pretty good. The trackpad feels smooth. And the clicking seems okay. Actually, the keyboard feels the best. And yeah, this is the MSI GF63.